In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not appearing. If Marketplace has suddenly vanished or never showed up on your account, follow along and we'll walk through the essential checks to get it back. First, confirm you meet the age requirement. Marketplace is only available to people who are 18 or older. Open your Facebook profile and review your date of birth in your account information. If it's incorrect, update it in your profile settings so your age is reflected accurately. Keep in mind that changes to your birthday may be limited and can take a little time to process, so make sure the information you provide is correct. Next, verify that Marketplace is available in your country or region. Head to the Facebook Help Center and search for Marketplace availability. If your location isn't supported, the Marketplace tab won't appear. Availability can also depend on where you're currently accessing Facebook from, so traveling or using a different region setting may affect what you see. Now make sure the Facebook app is up to date. Outdated versions often cause missing features. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if you see it. Updating ensures you have the latest fixes and compatibility improvements that can restore Marketplace. If that doesn't help, refresh your account session. Log out of Facebook, fully close the app, then reopen it and log back in. This quick reset can clear temporary glitches that hide certain tabs or menus. If you're on Android, clear the Facebook app cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select Facebook, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may interfere with features without deleting your account data. On iOS, there isn't a native cache button, so you can simply skip this step. Also check whether your account has any marketplace policy violations. If you've attempted to sell prohibited items, posted misleading listings, or repeatedly deleted and reposted items to gain visibility, Facebook may temporarily block marketplace access. In these cases, the best step is to wait for the restriction to expire. Look for notifications or messages that explain the policy issue so you know what to avoid in the future. Finally, if you believe the restriction is a mistake, request a review. Open the Marketplace, unavailable message, click Request Review, and submit your request. Provide accurate details and give Facebook time to respond. Work through these checks in order, and in most cases, Marketplace will reappear once your account is eligible, your app is updated, and any temporary restrictions are resolved.